Over the past few days, there have been some amazing tweets on X with the perfect prompt to use with the new VEO 3 model, and it's generating some amazing visual effects for leading brands. Today, I thought I would share how you can do this yourself. First, let's look at the prompt. This one was up on X, so all I did was screenshot the prompt and headed over to Grok 3 as my chosen large language model, but you can use any model you prefer. I then asked it to write the prompt out from the screenshot I provided. I didn't stop there. I then asked Grok to provide me with 3 more killer advertising prompts for iconic brands like Apple and Nike. And just like that, snap, Grok churned out 3 insanely creative prompts tailored for those brands. Talk about a game changer. Then I just took those prompts and signed into my VEO 3 account and generated these videos within minutes. From sleek Apple ads to high-energy Nike campaigns, you're about to see what's possible when you combine the right tools with a spark of creativity. Advertising companies are paying $100,000 to generate these types of visual effects, and now basically you can create it for pennies. The following will be a compilation of the prompts I used and the output from VEO 3. I hope you enjoyed this short video and hope you too can start creating these amazing videos yourself. Also, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more creative hacks. See you in the next one.